Hi guys, today we are going to unbox this a collar mic which is made by Ahuja. I recently started shooting some YouTube unboxing videos which I could put on the YouTube, and I found out that my audio quality when recording from the camera is not that good, and the voice is really low when I try to listen back to it. It's because mostly I talk from behind the camera, and the microphone for the camera is actually placed at the front side, so I guess it would not record that much voice. So I just went ahead and bought this collar mic, so it would be easy for me to record the audio, since if I had to edit the audio, it would take up a lot of my time, and I did not like doing that. So this is collar mic. Actually, I bought it for rupees 650 in Chennai. And let's take a look at this box now. See, you can see it's made by Ahuja, and it's a omnidirectional mic. And the model number is CTP-10DX. So looking at this side of the box, you can see the price is 650 rupees, and it's manufactured by Ahuja Radios. And you can see the customer care number and email address, and it's manufactured in September 2017. And some details regarding the audio characteristics of this mic. So I'm not a sound person, and I don't know that much about mic. So I researched on the web, and I found that Ahuja is a good company, and for an entry level mic it would not cost that much. So this side you can see the uh, official website of this brand company. So it says the model number over here, and the same as over here. So let's go ahead and unbox this now. So inside the box you can see a little pouch, and it says Ahuja over here, and it's okay. I think the quality, you can use this for actually keeping the mic when you are not using it, so that it would be easy and convenient for you. So inside the bubble wrap you can see the mic itself. They have given a Panasonic battery with this pack. So this is the mic. It's good actually. I think it's made of metal, and the tie clip is actually attached to this. I think it would be of a good quality, and this is for if you want to insert the mic to your amplifier, I guess, and it takes a battery. This is also made of metal, and it's quite heavy actually. Here you can see it's made by Ahuja over here. The model number CTP-10DX. Let's unwrap this. Let's see. Oh, so this is the mic itself. Guys, this is how I sound with the Ahuja collar mic. Uh, so I have connected this mic to the DSLR and I am recording through this. This is how I sound with the DSLR inbuilt mic. Thank you guys for watching.